everybody. Good evening. It's Jean here. Early evening, Thursday evening. I've had a lovely day. I'm not tired or anything. Actually, I've not had a lovely day. We had to take our van in to get brakes, and then we had to get it go. We took it all the way there, came all the way home, and then they called and said we can't do it. Just came all the way back. We shoveled snow. So it's been a good day, sort of. And I thought, oh, I'll just come in and I'll experiment. I'll mess around with my rulers here for my quilt, right? Ugh. I don't think I'm going to love these things because I'm gonna put it out there for you folks. Maybe you guys can help me. I am the student. Please, I need help, teacher. As you know, I got my ruler, and it comes with a ruler foot, right? And I was going, as you know, I'm experimenting with this clamshell ruler to quilt my quilt. And what I did is I thought, I'm not messing with that. I'll do a practice sandwich here. Same fibers, cotton, cotton, cotton. And I put my ruler foot down, and I set my machine to free motion quilting. I left it as if a straight stitch. I lowered my feed dogs. The stitch length is to 0. I have my foot on. It's a special foot, so it doesn't whack the edges of your. It rides along the edges of your ruler. It does, because like this is my regular free motion quilting foot, which I do really nice free motion quilting. Well, it wasn't. It was not doing it at all. And I thought, what in the world? It wasn't for. With this foot on, the stitches were skipping terribly, terribly, terribly. Wasn't even like connecting it. So I rethread. Of course, you rethread, you redo your bobbin, you do everything. You turn the machine on, turn it off. I haven't had any problem. I took this foot off, the foot for the rulers kit, and I put back on my free motion quilting foot, and beautiful, beautiful free motion quilting. So I took this off and I put my regular foot on, wherever it is, my regular foot on, put everything to straight stitches. So it's not the stitch quality. I put this foot on and trying to use this ruler, and my stitches were all over the place, skipping. Well, then I thought, well, I use this thread, this Aurifil 40 weight, which I quilt things with. I use the 50 weight Aurifil in my bobbin, and or a piece with these beautiful threads, beautiful threads. But on occasion, I have used this thread, this Connecting Threads Essential Cotton. I believe it's 50 weight cotton quilting thread. Beautiful, beautiful. I quilt all my quilts out with it, right? So I threaded it with all different threads, and it was doing the exact same thing. Skipping all over the place. But with this thing on, and trying to quilt with this ruler. So I thought, I don't understand it. I don't understand. I'm going to walk away because I'm frustrated. And I just thought, I'll just put it out there. I'm frustrated. And I thought, well, I got really good thread. So I thought, well, I'll get a polyester thread. I have all this cheap polyester thread, and it really worked quite. Let me just put this down. This is my practice thing. Takes some getting used to. You got to hold the ruler. You got to hold that down. Now look. Now there. Actually, that works. Actually, that looks really good. Let me see it again. What am I doing here? I don't know. See, everybody. There was one woman that said, "Oh, as you know," I'm like, "Oh, I don't know about these things." And one comment said, "Oh, I'm not a very good free motion quilter, but I love my rulers." And I'm thinking, I love free motion quilting, and I'm very good at it. What am I doing here? What am I doing wrong? Oh, I put this sticky stuff on it. So that's what you do. You hold it, and actually, it's making a liar out of me. Now, my stitch quality is really very good. But what if I do it on I started doing it on my quilt because it got good. Yeah, look. I mean, it's really what's the back look like? Wish you could see it. Wish I had a cameraman. Like, it's good. It's good. Now, I've started on this bottom right-hand corner, and I thought I'll just sort of do one block because this quilting, I was calling it sashing. It's not. I've just, if you've followed along with me, I've just sewn blocks together. It's just that it looks like sashing, but it's just blocks sewn together. So I can just do from the border all the way across. But I thought, well, I'll just do a few of these to get used to it. So here I have my thing. Here's my ruler. Now, I did do a few with this cheap thread, though. And I'm thinking, I mean, I am not a thread snob. I'll put that, oh no, see, I have to put that down. Put that down, bring my thread up, because this is where I want to start. It's funky trying to get used to it. It really is. So now, oh, I was saying, I'm not a thread snob. I don't need to use $13 spool thread. If I can use 50-cent thread, it's good. I'm fine. But I'd rather use cotton, maybe. I don't know why. Let me just see. So I'm going to start there. So you have to hold your ruler. Oh, no, it's doing okay now. They make it look so easy. Now I know what people... Oh, that looks nice. I think. It looks nice, actually. Oops. Now I know what people mean when they say, oh, you make that look so easy. Because these people who use these rulers, the Angela Walters and Leah Day, they like hold the ruler and I'm like, oh no, see, that didn't go all the way down. Oh, flipping heck. So now, it's riding along there. But look, I'm getting, look at me, look at my shoulders up by my ears. I said that. And I'm not going all the way down. I've got to go down to that point and I'll come back up. This is hard. More power to people. That's hard. And now I'm stuck because I started quilting my whole quilt. This will take me 10 years. Because now I'm sort of committed. I did this. It looks nice. It looks nice. It looks nice, but it's with cheap thread. My other thread was kept unthreading. Like, go figure. I don't know. And it was my thread. First I thought it was the foot, and then it's my thread. So now I'm sewing with cheap thread. I mean, it's thread. I didn't necessarily, I mean, it's thread. It's good thread. It's polyester thread, I should say. It's fine. It's fine. So I guess it's sort of like okay now. So maybe, like, you guys were my therapy. I needed to rant and vent because it's okay. The stitch quality is okay and it's not messing up. But anyway, I think I'll just go have a cup of tea and call it a day. I am committed now. And it's fun. Let me just try to do another one. Sorry. Let me just see. I wish you could see this. Because I'm sort of having to... It rides beautifully along there. It does. And it's making nice clamshells. I think when I get in the groove, but like I'm having to sort of like pull here and hold here. And you know me when I free motion quilt, I just like... It's hard. It's really hard. It looks very nice, but it's hard. Anyway, that's my Thursday evening. I hope you guys are having a better Thursday evening. Oh, real quick, if you were following me in my block party on Sunday, I'm going to be not away for the weekend, but I'm all day away Saturday and all day away Sunday. So I won't be by my computer to upload the block number 10 video. I'll probably do that early Monday morning. So if you're watching this, sorry, I mean, I'm not going to be here. It takes me a while to upload it. So anyway, that's my endeavor, my beginning with my ruler. I want to love it. I don't love it so far, but maybe I will. It's hard. So I just looked at this video and saw that there's an incredible glare. So I thought, before I go have my cup of tea, I'm just going to try to show you guys what I'm doing. So here's my ruler. Here's my foot. Is this in the frame? I hope it is. I don't know. My battery's running out. I got to step away from my machine. You got it. This thing that rides here goes in that groove, okay? So I got to hold this here, and I got to sort of pull it along. And it rides along there, and then I want it to stop, so you have to, this registration mark here, but I'm really holding it. And of course, when you're free motion quilting, you are the stitch regulator. Remember, I always say that. But look, it's actually quite nice, but man, it's not easy. I want to say, oh, look at me, I'm just stitching along. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Well, I didn't measure. Oh, mate, I might get to the end of the row and I'll have like half a block. Now let me just see. Let me just stop it here. I'm done. Let me just show you. Get rid of this thing. Come under here. Yeah, can you just let me just come back to here. Maybe you can see there. Can you see that? See, it's nice. But see, that one didn't go all the way down to there. But like it is quite pleasant. Can you see? I don't know. This is so bright. These glaring lights. I'm so sorry. But like, look, it's a whole bunch of clamshells, and then you do one that way, and then of course you go down and you do it in the middle. But like that didn't. So I am committed. I will be committed. Flippin' heck. Anyway, there's my rulers. Don't love them, but I'll stick to it. I am going to stick to my ruler, my westerly ruler. It's not as easy as it looks, folks. So don't anybody hold your breath about me finishing this quilt anytime soon. I'm gonna be stitching clamshells till I'm blue in the face. It's funny. Anyway, I'm gonna go have my tea. See you later, folks. Bye.